fix your impaired metabolism so you can actually drop weight. I say this all the time. Begin your day correctly. Make sure your day begins with protein and good fat. Why? So that you can balance your hormones so you don't gravitate towards your bad carbs through the day. That's one. Make sure you're eating enough fiber with every meal. So make sure you're eating lots of vegetables, green leafy vegetables, so your insulin levels also remain balanced. 3, control your stress. If you're very stressed, your cortisol levels will go up, which means your insulin levels and your blood sugar goes up, and that's going to go into fat storing mode and hold it all around the abdomen. Make sure you're sleeping well. So make sure you actually maintain a good sleep hygiene, because poor sleep can actually also increase insulin levels, especially fasting insulin levels, and we know what raised insulin can do because it's a fat storing hormone. If you're a woman who is on estrogen tablets, on the pill, or you have very heavy bleeding, try and reduce your estrogen level, because that will help with weight loss, which means try and get off the pill. So speak to your doctor. Exercise. And while you should do some amount of cardio, make sure you're not focusing just on how many calories you're burning, but also include strength training, because that's very important for correct fat loss. And include things like intermittent fasting, to be done only under medical guidance. Stay well.